Non-acidic, non-caustic foaming coil cleaners, labeled safe for both evaporator and condenser coils, are the best choice for routine coil maintenance. These cleaners work by clinging to fins and coil surfaces and breaking down grease, dust, and organic buildup without corroding aluminum or copper. Choose a product that explicitly states compatibility with both indoor evaporator coils and outdoor condenser coils, and follow the dilution and dwell time on the label exactly. Apply with a low-pressure spray from the coil face to avoid bending fins and rinse gently with a garden hose when safe for the unit, or use the cleaner's no-rinse formula when manufacturer guidance allows. Wear chemical-resistant gloves and eye protection, and avoid breathing any spray mist by standing upwind and keeping the area ventilated. Before treating the coils, shut power to the unit at the breaker and remove large debris by hand or with a soft brush to let the cleaner contact the surface more effectively. If your system uses an environmentally sensitive refrigerant or has specialty coatings, consult the equipment manufacturer and test the cleaner on a small area first. Common problems include using an acidic or highly alkaline cleaner that etches aluminum fins and reduces heat transfer efficiency, so switch to a non-acidic, non-caustic product and stop using undue agitation on the fins. Another frequent mistake is applying high pressure or a power washer that bends fins and creates airflow restrictions. Instead, use low-pressure spray and a fin comb to straighten fins gently if needed. Many people skip checking the product label against the unit manufacturer recommendations and then void warranties or damage coatings. Always cross-check the cleaner label with the equipment manual and call the manufacturer if there is any doubt. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors for maintenance tasks like coil cleaning and to help contractors find local work opportunities. Our site also hosts a discussion community where homeowners and pros can share experiences, product recommendations, and practical tips.